Okay, here you go, Ed. This is a new one. It's a 23. I only mentioned, I know you wanted used. The other two are used, but I mentioned this one because it's brand new, full factory warranty. They have $1,000 customer cash. Might be $1,500, but I think it's $1,000 that they throw at you on this one. And I'm sure I can get Yolanda to discount a bit more off of it because it has been here for a while. But this one is called Stealth Gray. It's gorgeous. One of my favorite colors. Brand spanking new. This one is the 116 as well. All right, Ed, there you go. Tell me what she thinks. We'll get her on one of them.